POLIVIAR French press coffee maker, 34 ounces coffee press with teak wood handle, double wall insulation and dual filter screen. Food grade stainless steel for good coffee and tea, vintage. Looking for coffee press for matching up your kitchen? The POLIVIAR French press coffee maker will be your smart choice. While the coffee pot is made from food-grade stainless steel with stylish long-lasting coating, it is easy to match up your kitchenwares and your kitchen's theme. Also, the ergonomic handle with German teak wood will maximize the fantastic time of grounds you loved. A good coffee percolator will filter out the sediment, but not the taste and aromatic coffee oils. This press maker is designed with dual filter screen and compassed of a sandwich of steel mesh held in place to increase the smoothness of the brew and keep the original taste of grounds. If you're the one responsible for the morning coffee for you and you special someone, ensuring that the coffee will stay hot, POLIVIAR coffee maker will make it long-lasting and lets it keep your coffee hot 4 times as long as glass. It's double wall insulation designed to keep the heat inside and away from your hands. It can be your key to start your day. We want your coffee in pure taste and in safe. The POLIVIAR maker made from kitchen-grade stainless steel. The A18/8 stainless steel ensuring long-lasting and durable with no rust. At the same time, it maintains the pure taste of coffee without the metal taste when other pot does. We care about our customers and we want to satisfy everyone. POLIVIAR is committed to providing our consumers the absolute best price and quality on our entire line of products. All of our products qualify for a full 12-month warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.